English to Danish. Master, go, equals.
Gå.
With fun past forms. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun way to learn languages fast. Before we step out, a quick invite. Grab extra practice and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail go in Danish.
Gå.
And the must-know past forms. Ready? Let's move. Your goal today. You'll understand, say, and use the core verb and past forms in real mini-scenes. Core verb.
Gå.
Equals go, walk. Past forms we'll use.
Du gik.
You went.
Han gik.
He went.
Vi gik.
We went.
I gik.
You plural went.
De gik.
They went. Bonus for context. It went equals.
Det gik.
Fast forms. Went versus go. Quick, friendly mapping. Repeat after me. Keep it light. Smile as you speak. Base verb. Go equals.
Gå.
Example. Don't go too fast. Quote.
Gå.
Ikke for hurt it. You went equals.
Du gik.
Example. After the movie, you went home. Quote.
Du gik.
Gem efter filmen. He went equals.
Han gik.
Example.
Han gik.
Til butikken. We went equals.
Vi gik.
Example.
Vi gik.
Enter efter aftensmaden. You, plural, went equals.
I gik.
Example.
I gik.
Direkte gem. They went equals.
De gik.
Example.
De gik.
Tidligt gem. It went well equals.
Det gik.
Goat. Dialogue. Ready to move? Listen first, then echo the Danish bits. Imagine you're right there in Copenhagen. A. Are you ready to go? Let's.
Gå.
B. Yes, yesterday.
Vi gik.
Slowly, but today we speed up. A. Where's Mark? B.
Han gik.
To the cafe. A. And the group? B.
I gik.
Ahead, text them. A. Did our friends stay? B. Nope.
De gik.
Right after the song. Rhythm drill. Step and say. Tap your desk or step your feet. Beat plus words makes memory stick. Beat 1 to 2.
Gå.
Step, step. Call and response. I say, you went, you chant.
Du gik.
You went.
Du gik.
He went.
Han gik.
We went.
Vi gik.
You all went.
I gik.
They went.
De gik.
Final cadence.
Gå. Du gik. Han gik. Vi gik. I gik. De gik.
Culture tip. Hugo walk. Danes love a cozy walk. Use your new words on a real street. Picture Nyhaven at sunset. You say, let's go.
Lad os gå.
A friend checks in after.
Det gik.
Goat, Ika? You nod, yes, it went great. And the group? Quote.
I gik.
The prettiest route. Mini challenges. Short, punchy tasks. Say them out loud. You've got this. Task 1. Say, we went home, in Danish. Answer.
Vi gik.
Gem. Task 2. Say, they went to the park. Answer.
De gik.
Til parken. Task 3. Say, you, plural, went the right way. Answer.
I gik.
Den rigtige veg. Task 4. Say, he went early. Answer.
Han gik.
Tidligt. Task 5. Imperative time. Tell yourself, go. Answer.
Gå.
Exclamation mark quote. Bonus vibe check. It went well. Answer.
Det gik.
Goat. Quick quiz. Answer fast. then I'll reveal the key Danish. Q1. Which word means go, walk in Danish? A.
Gå.
Q2. Translate, you went, singular. A.
Du gik.
Q3. Translate, he went. A.
Han gik.
Q4. Translate, we went. A.
Vi gik.
Q5. Translate, you, plural, went. A.
I gik.
Q6. Translate, they went. A.
De gik.
Outro. High five from Synapse Lingo. Nice steps today, seriously well done. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Gå. Du gik. Han gik. Vi gik. I gik.
And
De gik.
during your next walk, visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized Danish lessons, downloads, and quizzes. See you next time. Now go celebrate with a cozy
Gåtur.